razed to the ground. The invaders decided to raze the village to the ground and then burned the surrounding fields for good measure. Razed to the ground. The invaders decided to raze the village to the ground and then burned the surrounding fields for good measure. For good measure, add a pinch of salt for good measure, but remember to taste the soup as you go along. For good measure, add a pinch of salt for good measure, but remember to taste the soup as you go along. As you go along, you will learn the rules as you go along, though you might find the sameness of the daily routine a bit boring. As you go along, you will learn the rules as you go along, though you might find the sameness of the daily routine a bit boring. Sameness. To escape the sameness of his life, he moved to a district notorious for its wild nightlife. Sameness. To escape the sameness of his life, he moved to a district notorious for its wild nightlife. Notorious. The man was notorious for holding grudges against anyone who dared to disagree with him. Notorious. The man was notorious for holding grudges against anyone who dared to disagree with him. Grudge. He claimed his anger wasn't a personal grudge, but rather righteous indignation at injustice. Grudge. He claimed his anger wasn't a personal grudge, but rather righteous indignation at injustice. Righteous. Being a righteous man, he didn't hesitate to sign the affidavit confirming the truth about the incident. Righteous. Being a righteous man, he didn't hesitate to sign the affidavit confirming the truth about the incident. Affidavit. After reviewing the affidavit, the lawyer noticed a major discrepancy between the witnesses' two statements. Affidavit. After reviewing the affidavit, the lawyer noticed a major discrepancy between the witnesses' two statements. Discrepancy. Despite the discrepancy in his notes, he managed to ace the final exam with a perfect score. Discrepancy. Despite the discrepancy in his notes, he managed to ace the final exam with a perfect score. To ace. He expected to ace the negotiation, but the opposing side's arguments completely razed his plan to the ground. To ace. He expected to ace the negotiation, but the opposing side's arguments completely razed his plan to the ground.